All right, hope everybody's enjoying their Wednesday evening. Just wanted to record a quick video. This is the one I was supposed to do yesterday for AP Stats. Problem 5, Part C, on page 7. So let's read it. It says, so psychologists interested in the relationship between meditation and health conducted a study with a random sample of 28 men who live in a large retirement community. Of the men in the sample, 11 reported that they do meditation every day, 17 say, we don't do meditation. So they ask us a few questions, and now they come down to Part C. They said, the psychologists found that of the 11 who do meditation, so 11 do meditation, 0 have high BP. And again, I will change my screen so you can see what I'm writing. The 17 who do no meditation, 8 of them have high BP. And it says let P hat M is equal to the meditation group, and P hat C is equal to the control of the people who don't do meditation. We already said a normal approximation can't be used. They used a simulation. So under the assumption that the null hypothesis is true, they did 10,000 simulations, 10,000 trials, and this is what they got. Based on the results of the simulation, what can be concluded about the relationship between blood pressure and meditation? So, let's take a look here. Let's identify first what is PM and what is PC. So PM is the probability, let's reread it again real quick. PM is the proportion of men with high blood pressure who meditate daily. So high blood pressure, that's 0 over 11. So this is 0. Probability of the control is 8 over 17, which is equal to 0.47059. Then what do they have? They have a graph of PM minus PC. So in our case, PM minus PC is 0 minus 0.47059. So in our case, PM minus PC is negative 0.47059. So let's go back to our graph. Out of the 10,000 trials, only 76 times did we have negative 0.47 or anything worse than that, like negative 0.8, negative 0.9. The only time we had negative 0.47 or anything worse was 76 out of 10,000. So the probability, the p-value that is associated with this is 76 times out of 10,000. That is 0.0076. Okay, folks, this is a really small p-value. What this says is the probability of getting this sample statistic, if we assume the null hypothesis was true, and remember the null was that PM equals PC, if we assume this is true, the probability of getting this statistic is only 0.0076. What does that mean? This is probably not true. Instead, perhaps the alternative, and what is the alternative? Go back up. Alternative says PM minus PC is less than 0. PM minus PC is less than 0. So because the probability of this is so low, the p-value is so low, we're assuming this is probably not just random. It's probably because this is true. So what am I going to conclude? Let's read what their question is. The question says, what can we conclude about the relationship between blood pressure and meditation? What we can conclude is the following. It seems that given p-value of 0.0076, which is less than 0.05, meditation, use their words, folks, use their words, meditation appears to have a relationship, appears to be associated with less high blood pressure. We cannot conclude cause and effect because this was not an experiment. We cannot conclude, this is part A, I believe, similar back, cause/effect, because this was not an experiment. Alright, that's 5C. Hope that video is helpful, and let me know if you have any other questions. I'm happy to help with more.